Ready to capture life with the easiest to use GoPro ever? Hero Session is a streamlined, simple one-button experience. It's the best entry-level GoPro, or the perfect compact second or third GoPro. Hero Session is GoPro simplified. Session is small and the lowest weight GoPro, making it the perfect spur-of-the-moment adventure companion. Coming in 50% smaller and 40% lighter than other Hero 4 cameras, you can wear it, mount it with over 25 GoPro camera mounts, or bring it anywhere your passions lead. And Session is our most refined, simplified user experience. One-button capture means you are a single press of a button away from powering up and capturing. One-button control also conserves the battery. When you push the button to record, the camera powers up and records. When you push the button to stop, the camera powers down, saving the battery. Session's sleek design is rugged and waterproof, without a housing. No housing means less to think about. Just choose your adventure, grab your Session, and go. Hero Session also features 8-megapixel photo capture for time-lapse photos, burst photos, and individual stills. Session is perfect to capture the fun of splashing around the pool, lake, or beach. With the dual mics and exceptional noise filtering built into Session, your audio on the move will be clearer in high winds and have outstanding audio quality. Hero 5 Black comes with these items: a rechargeable battery, the frame for Hero 5 Black, a mounting buckle attached to the frame, curved and flat adhesive mounts, and a USB-C charging cable. You'll also need a micro SD card, which is sold separately. For a list of recommended cards, visit gopro.com/workswithgopro. Are you wondering where the housing is? Hero 5 Black is waterproof to 33 feet right out of the box. No housing is needed. And no housing means less stuff for you to carry. Let's check out the camera. Hero 5 Black has 2 buttons that you use to operate the camera: the shutter button and the mode button. On the side of the camera that's closest to the lens, there's a side door. Hold down the latch release button and slide the door open. You'll see a USB-C port for charging and an HDMI port in case you want to connect your camera to an HD TV and watch your content on a big screen. To use the HDMI port, you'll need a micro HDMI cable, which is sold separately. On the bottom of the camera, you'll see another door. Open it the same way you open the side door. Press the button while sliding the door open. Insert the battery. Then push an SD card into the slot, close the door, and slide it until it clicks into place. Be sure it's securely closed. If either door is not closed all the way, your camera is not waterproof. The Hero 4 Black has lots of great settings to choose from, and quickly selecting a new setting is easier than ever. Each mode has its own settings menu. To change a setting, press the power button to get to the mode you want. Then press the Settings tag button to open the settings menu for that mode. Press the power button to move down through the settings. When you reach the one you want to change, press the shutter button to cycle to the new setting. To save it, press the power button to move to the next setting, or press the Settings tag button to exit the settings menu. To capture video, press the power button to get to video mode. To select a different video option, press the Settings tag button to open the settings menu. Press the shutter button to cycle to the new video option. Then press the Settings tag button to exit the settings menu. For descriptions of each video option, download the user manual at gopro.com/support. To start recording, press the shutter button. Whenever a great moment happens, press the Settings tag button to add a highlight tag to your footage. Highlight tags make it easy to find the best moments during playback, editing, and sharing. To stop recording, press the shutter button again.